Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 146. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6, no help here, 3, 6, 7, 6 here, so 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5, 4 here, so 3, 5. And that means that our 4 for that row has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 3 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For, this 5 makes this our 7, 5. And for this box now, we're missing a 2. And this 3 makes this our 7, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, And I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.